does it take to fundamentally change a human body? Dedication? Yes. Hard work? Absolutely. Cybex knows that without training that works with your body's unique biomechanics, you can only get so far. That's where the Cybex Bravo comes in, the ultimate functional training system, providing conditioning for the real world. Bravo's patented stabilization system means you can increase strength and core activation at the same time, targeting nearly all muscle groups with countless workouts. Whatever your goal, Bravo gets you there faster. Professionals know that with limitless training opportunities, from rehabilitation to athletic conditioning, Bravo is truly exceptional. Cybex is changing the way the fitness world approaches strength training, allowing you to lift nearly 3 times the weight with 3 times the muscle activation over other freestanding cable exercises. Now, Cybex introduces the next evolution of the Bravo functional training system. The Bravo Press also offers progressive stabilization while providing a variety of pressing patterns with almost 3 times greater core activation. That means tighter abs faster. The Bravo Pull, also with progressive stabilization, offers a variety of pulling patterns and fast and easy setup. With twice the strength gain, that means stronger, faster. The Bravo Lift's patent-pending Free Start technology allows for correct start positioning without raising the pulley height, creating more natural movement. It's 2 times easier to get into lifting position. That means safer setups, faster. The word is out. Bravo's versatility is unmatched. It doesn't get more functional than that. From personal training studio space to large-scale facilities, there's a Bravo solution for every environment. Get there faster. Cybex and the Cybex Research Institute. Experience unparalleled results. Visit truthonfitness.com.